right, so I'm gonna try to get it started. All right, turn it forward a couple clicks. Just turn it forward, don't start it, just turn it forward, yep. Let it sit. All right, go ahead, try to start it. All right, pull it back. Do it again, try to start it. Pull it back. Now leave it in that on position just for a while. Kind of finagle with the key a little bit. All right, now try to start it. All right, let me see. Here. All right, so I'm gonna try to get it started.
Oh, wow, it looks way different. Not turning over. Wow! How'd you do that? Baby! I got goosebumps.
Carl's Garage.
How'd you do that? Good job.
Took a while. I had to mess with the computer, but look, as you can see, she still runs very smooth.
Wow.
She still runs super smooth, idles down. So now it's just a matter of cosmetics.
SS swap.
It's SS swap. It's actually worth, got it running. It's actually worth it now. You know what I mean?
Wow.
It's actually, even for 1,500, who knows? I don't know, but I might chunk another 1,500 into it.
We're not.
We're not. Hey, got it running, man. Got it running.
Wow, honey, I'm very proud.
My man over there for
Rafa.
got the computer running. Now again, I'm sure there's gonna be some check engine codes and some other stuff. But she's running smooth too. Mass airflow sensor. It took a while, so something's going on with the way that it's starting. Something's going on with the way that it's starting, but that's fine. That's fine. The biggest thing is you want to get it started. Make sure it's not overheating. Make sure there's no coolant issues, and there isn't. Of course, it looks a lot crazier, but the dash and everything, but listen, this is Carl's Garage, and I can, you know what I mean? Carl's Garage, I got it done.
We got it done, as always. I'm so proud of you, honey.
So now I can move it.
Yeah.
So now if I want to buy a chain and move it and pull it over to that tree and yank it even more and fix it even more, I can.
You're the
Listen,
man.
that's going to be it, Carl's Garage. You guys see what I can do. You guys see what we do here on the channel. My hands are dirty. We got a meeting in 3 minutes, so we're going to go to this meeting.
Oh my God, we do.
Got it started.
Okay,
Be basic, guys.
bye.
Peace.